Yes, I have another interesting recipe I know you all will love to try. On this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I made this carrot and plantain bread. If you're interested, watch to the end and help me to share. So I started by peeling off my 2 unripe plantain. You can also use ripe plantain for this recipe. It's still going to come out nice. So I peel off the bark and then chop it into smaller sizes before I blend it. This is another interesting recipe that is good for diabetes people. If you're being restricted from eating sugary things, you can't eat bread, this recipe is for you. Next, I grated my carrots into smaller sizes like this. So once I'm done grating this carrot, I'm going to set it aside. So into my blender, I went in with my chopped plantain. I added dates. This is optional. You can also use sugar. I added 2 eggs and 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then I went in with fat-free yogurt. So this fat-free yogurt is up to 10 tablespoons of it or more. So I add in the blender, cover it, and then I'm going to blend it very smooth. Today's special hug goes to Jovita, watching me from Lagos State, Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching my videos, Jovita. I really appreciate. So guys, once I'm done blending this, I'm going to transfer it into my bowl. And then next, I'm going to go in with the grated carrot. And then I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So baking powder here is just going to help the dough to rise properly. That is why I am adding baking powder. Next, I am going to mix it up nicely. Now tell me, does this recipe look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. Then I transfer it into my baking pan and then I baked it in the oven for 200 degrees for 15 minutes. So guys, let me know where you're watching this video from so that on my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. Lastly, I added grated carrot on top of it and seed, which is totally optional. If you don't have this, don't add it. Then I baked it in the oven. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you are going to try? It really came out nice and trust me, you are going to love this. If you're being restricted from eating flour, you love to eat bread because of one thing or the other, you no longer eat those things you used to eat. Try this, you are going to like it. If you're watching your weight, you don't want to eat flour, this is for you. It really came out nice, guys. Take a look at this. Now tell me, are you going to try this as well? Because it's easy to make. Okay guys, if you find this video interesting, please help me to share this video, okay? So that I get to more people. You can enjoy this with your jam, with your butter, you are good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.